Today, I'll show you how to download your website from Squarespace. Whether you're looking to back up your site, migrate to another platform, or simply safeguard your content, understanding how to export your website data is crucial. Let's dive in and explore the steps involved in this process. To begin, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website, from design tweaks to content updates. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Settings tab. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Click on that to proceed. After entering the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the option labeled Website. This is where you can manage various aspects of your site's configuration. Once you click on Website, you'll see several options pop up. The one we're interested in today is Import and Export Content. Click on that to move forward. Now that you're in the Import and Export Content section, you'll see the option to export your website content. This feature allows you to download a copy of your site's data, which can be incredibly useful if you're planning to transition to a different platform or merely want to have a backup stored elsewhere. Go ahead and click on the Export button. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose files or content that you'd like to export. Squarespace typically allows you to export pages, blog posts, and certain other pieces of your site's content. It's important to note, though, that not all elements of your website may be exported, such as some styles or customizations. So take a moment here to decide what you need to export and select the appropriate options. Once you've made your selections, click Export again to initiate the process. Squarespace will begin compiling your chosen data into a format that can be downloaded to your computer. This might take a minute or two depending on the size of your website and the amount of content you're exporting. During this time, you can grab a cup of coffee or stretch your legs, knowing that your site's data is being safely packaged for download. Finally, once the export process is complete, you'll be provided with a download link. Click on this link and your website data will be saved onto your computer. Make sure you store it in a secure location, especially if you plan to use it for migration purposes or need to reference it in the future. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully downloaded your Squarespace website. Remember, regularly backing up your website data is a good habit to get into. It ensures you have access to your content no matter what happens. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore Squarespace's support resources. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!